Can you hold this for a moment? Thanks. Hi there. I'm Marco Tempest. I'm here to show you some of my magic with nothing more than my camera phone. Now today I'm going to show you how you can make a two-dimensional object like a paper disc look completely three-dimensional by placing it next to a 3D object like this cube. So in relationship, this looks almost like it's 3D. Let me put it down next to the cube, and because of the proximity it actually looks like it's 3D. It looks like a rubber ball. But if I get rid of the ball, things become to look very, very flat. You see what just happened to the cube? I'll show you. Let me get rid of one of the two-dimensional pieces, and now, did you see that? Everything has become completely flat. Let me show you. It's completely flat, and I can almost peel it off the floor, just like this. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.